Hi, welcome to my Warrant Tracker. It's a very useful tool if you trade warrants and want to understand how the details interact with each other. So here's the explanation. If you trade several warrants simultaneously, it's not possible to keep track all the time of how the Greeks, the bid and ask, and the spread are developing. You go nuts if you log in to your bank's depot 10-50 times a day, go to your depot, click on your position and finally go to the information page about the warrant. This is the data which is tracked every 30 minutes automatically by the tracker. A Python script is doing that on a Linux instance scheduled by a cronjob and writes the data into a DB. The tracker just queries the DB via PHP. That's it. Let me show you how it works. Query all warrants. These are all warrants that I trade actually or traded before and keep in history. And you always get the same here in this iframe, or for a much better overview, you go on the link above, click here to get the below table in a new tab, so this helps a lot. Now you see all the warrants here I'm trading, and the script, the Python script you see runs every half an hour to collect the data of each warrant I track. And above you see in the header what is all tracked. So it's the name, the ISIN, the date, the time, sell by, the spread, the strike price, the current value, the volatility, the intrinsic value, the time value, the moneyness, the remaining time, and the Greeks at the end. It's very useful to understand how a warrant, how the price, how it develops. Mostly you will be interested in about the data about just one warrant. So on the second tab here you get a list of each warrant in the DB. And for example, let's take one from the Commerzbank, and here you can query the details of just one warrant. The same here, you get it in an iframe below, and here you get the data in a new tab. And now you get just the entries from the DB, the data about this particular warrant. You see each half an hour tracked. Sometimes if there is much more volatility on the market, then I change the cron job to track it, to record it, to write the data into the DB every 5 minutes or even every minute. But usually it's done every half an hour. And this way you can track your warrants. I will make separate videos about insights, what you can see here, how it behaves, how the values interact with each other, but this is just to show you the warrant tracker is there, you can use it. On the last page you can track your own ISIN from what warrant actually you want to get the data, or if you want to use it for tracking your warrant. Let's just choose whatever one I never tracked before. So I look up for Adobe warrant, and this is German, sorry. Doesn't matter, just any warrant I never tracked before. And take the ISIN, and here you get again below in the iframe the data. I expect just one line, yeah, because I never queried the data from this warrant before, and the same here in new tab. So you can use that to track your warrant, and you see if you query it more often, it will be stored in the database. For it's another database. I work on getting the site for registered users and an app as well, that you get your own table and log in your own table. But for the case, you can use it this way already. See, requested one more, and this way it works for you to track your warrants. Okay, I hope this helps you and you can use it, and have a good time. Bye.